All right, so let's go over some markets, starting with the ES and then gold and then crude. So ES is very interesting, and the moves now are they're pretty volatile. I'll just go over. So basically, the market was going down, 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 down. It didn't give any deep pullbacks here. I don't know. Did I get in? I don't remember. I don't think I got in this. Anyway, the market went down. Then there was a chance for a reversal. There was a chance for a reversal. What happened was, oh shit, I think it's gonna go. Anyway, never mind. So it was going down, 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 right? Some folks, maybe they caught this upthrust here, or maybe got this one up here. This actually is an upthrust. These are upthrusts right here. Above this is the upthrust reversal. Above this is the upthrust reversal. Right? But I was looking for a turning point, and here it looked quite nice. Because finally some volume came in. Right? Some volume came in here. But that's not why. The reason is I was looking for it, and I thought it was going to be end of day short covering, and I thought it was going to be a bigger move than this. So here you'll see. One second, let me refresh. Okay. So what you'll see here is this leg right here is this column right here. This column is this wave. The 74 wave right here is this column. So what I saw is that it was going down, built a base, and then broke. And the volume is the biggest volume in 22 columns. So, I mean, this is very likely end of day short covering. Maybe a potential reversal. So, and you see what happened. See this? There's a 21 there, right there. That is buying pressure on the upside. So it tried to break down, and I love when this happens because it makes the trade very high probability. It breaks down on high volume 21 down. You see that below this low 21, that's the biggest print in this column. But then it reverses, and those 21 are back here. You see this 21 on this arrow, and then 21 back here. It means they're going up. They're not going down, they're going up. It flipped. So I know that there's going to be a change, there's going to be a trend change and all that. But the question is, how much can it go before the end of the day? The answer is not much. Because if it rally, pull back to test that area, which is, I mean, it's like brain dead obvious move. It's going to go over there and have very high probability of holding. So did that, tapped it. I was watching the volumes on these pullbacks. It was nothing. Right? Look at this. Nothing. And then it reversed. As it reversed, it had an opportunity then, once it cracks this, if it cracked that upper channel above this high, we are going significantly higher. So I thought that, okay, maybe it's reversal to go much higher, but then they just cracked it with this big bar, and the buying response was very weak, very, very weak. Because of that weak buying response, it just sold off in the day. Now I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on here. I could care less. We'll see tomorrow because there's not enough liquidity to trade it at, yeah. So that was like the end of day, a little pullback, reversal. But I was looking for at least a move up here. I didn't get there. right? Like maybe above here or here. Take out this stops here, take out this stop, but it didn't do that. So that was the minor climax right there, the 22, and then it just fell back. So now we're back near the lows. Let's see how this is handled. All right, let's go to the next market. This one was pretty disappointing. As you know, ES was flying in the beginning of the day, so I thought the crude would also go, right? Because ES is going, and crude was also setting up quite nice. So, it goes down, it goes here, it picks up right there, 15,000 contracts. Right there, 15,000 contracts. Buying, pullback, higher high. Look at the pullback here. 15 high, 3,000 low, higher high. So they had a chance right here to go. I'll show you how it looked on the tape reading chart, which made me really bullish because it was a great opportunity setting up. So the market's pulling back. The heavy volumes here, 44, 42, here 45. Biggest print since the high. Okay, now we're talking potential for a climax, right? Climactic print. So then I'm waiting. It's making minor waves up, and then you had this, the 39. So I was under the impression that they broke this area with this. Now it didn't have a lot of follow through and it's not very convincing, but it's like the very minimal, right? And it pulled back, offering the test against this level of the high volume, offering the entry opportunity, and they made the higher high. So it was in a position to go. But what happened was, if you look left, these guys did not let that happen. It went into the area where these guys really hit it hard. And that same area, selling came with authority and broke the lows. Broke the low. So this minor climax, tapped, entry, highs, let's go. Can you get above these sellers? And it just couldn't. They added and broke the low. Otherwise, this accumulation would have yielded higher prices because you have a base, you have a very pathetic breakout, but a breakout nonetheless. It's the biggest in about 6 columns. You could see the volume is picking up. So you have a shot. But these guys said, they're going to break it. And this is the strongest market, and that's why I wanted to trade it, but it just didn't pan out, right? Because it's on buys. It's on buys. Now we'll see how low it goes. If it goes right here, I'm expecting some type of buying pressure against these levels. We'll see. All right. This was the climactic print, the 71 and the 60. And now it's pulling back. We'll see how it handles this level. And if they reaccumulate. So now regarding gold, it's on sell, 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 break, lower, sell, sell, whatever. So here was the Your high volume selling, test that same area, break, test it again and again and again. You just have to enter it. Like, I mean, there's nothing else to say. You just need to enter it. There was this opportunity, but I forgot where I think it was here, but it just wasn't clear. Like, it just wasn't clear. You know, you see the white bricks, so they tested that area and just puked, right? I'm gonna set up again and I'll catch it later, but whatever. All right, so what is the plan for tomorrow? I have no plan. So this area here, you have this selling. This looks really nice to me. That 1960 area, a reversal into that resistance, then above that 1970 area. Those are heavy sellers. 70 and 60, there's a heavy selling there. So we'll see how it handles that. And then this thing, I'm looking for 82s. I want to see how 82s react, maybe 81, 50, you know. And possibly this 38 right here, which is 81. So 81 to 82, I mean, it's going to go there. Just we have to wait and see if they come back in on oil. Again, this is the most relative strength in the market and all that. So there's a very nice opportunity. Just have to catch it. And that's it. Now, but yes, I can't really tell because, I mean, I'll be honest, this thing, right, when it broke this channel up here, this is not a mean reversion. This is a trend change right here. All right, so it went there, you know, and it popped, but then it went right back down. So there's some strong sellers in this market that when the buyers press and they take out this high, that high, they're selling it. And they're taking it right back down to those lows. So until that ends, it's difficult to gauge direction because, I mean, these were sells and then went all the way up here. It's ready. It popped, but they sold it off. So the 19 here is where there was resistance. See the 19 break below this low? And then retest, and just pulling back. So I'm not really sure what the direction here is yet. You know, over here, you can see the level. You know, it's almost like in a range. Tap, tap, tap. So if we want to play that game, that's fine. I can play that game, but I would prefer if it has direction. I don't want to take both sides. Anyway, we'll see if this breaks. But remember, on the daily, everything is still bullish. You know, it hasn't taken out the support. This is support. All it's doing is it just tested. All right, that's all, folks. Take care. Bye.